Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dave. Today, for the first time ever, I'm going to be replacing the cabin filter on my 25-year-old Audi A4 Quattro. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so here I am in front of the passenger, on the passenger side of the car, and the filter is in this area, I believe. And so we got a screw here to take off this cover. This is coming off pretty easy. I don't know if I've got all the fasteners in here or not. Okay. Alright, there's these screws here on this cover that have just a kind of a lever that swings, and I think that was supposed to swing and go up underneath this base of the windshield. And I don't think those were clipped in, but we can clip those in when we reinstall it. But here is a 25-year-old cabin filter. Let's check it out. Oh, gotta get you close up on that. Well, it's amazing air was even getting through there. Ugh. Here's a close-up look at this thing. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a closer look inside, beneath that filter, and see what it looks like in there. All right, here's what it looks like inside there. Actually, it doesn't look too bad below the filter. There's some debris in here. I want to blow this all out with compressed air before I put my new filter in place. So let's tidy this up a little bit before we put a nice clean filter in. Okay, so I want to take my compressed air, my blowgun, and blow all this dust out of here, but I don't want all the debris to enter into my dash and all my ducts and my vents. So I'm going to turn the ignition on and the fan completely off. So with the key on and the fan completely off, I think there's a duct that covers up the fan. Let's watch this. Okay. Yes, with the key on and the fan completely off, all the vents are blocked off by that shroud. So in this position now, I'm going to take my blowgun and blow all the debris around, and I'm not blowing all of the debris inside my dash. Okay, so with this door closed effectively, I'm just going to blow all this debris out of there. Okay, that's better. Let's take a peek in there now. Alright, it was just getting all that stuff, because if we didn't blow that stuff out, it would just sit right on top of our new filter. So just all the loose debris and stuff in here, which is a good idea. I should probably do that more often. But I think we're ready for our new filter now. Alright, so here's the new filter I'm putting in. As soon as I realized that I had never replaced this, right on my phone right then and there, that very minute, I just went and ordered this on Amazon. It was like 13 bucks. Eco Guard. And this is what it looks like. Okay, here's the new filter. Got a nice foam seal. There's also an arrow indicating the airflow, which direction, so the airflow goes this way. So we want to put it in like this because the air is coming, it's drawing in from here and it's going into the car. And now this rain gutter kind of pulls straight out. There's a little leg here and another leg here that just slide into these two little clips. So we'll get this out of the way. We'll fit this in here. Like that. So we've got a good tight foam seal. And then again, this tab will slide into this clip. Like so. This tab into that clip like so. So that's like that. And then this final cover on. I'm going to swing all of these out of the way. I'll set it in place and then I'll swing these back. And these little arms should swing up underneath to lock it in place. And then there's just one other screw. I'm going to move the windshield out of the way a little bit. Alright, so I moved the windshields up out of the way so I can get this in here. Let's just see how this goes. Let me see if I give these a quarter turn now, if that will hold it in place better. And it does. And then I have one screw right here. Mine happens to be 7 millimeters. Okay, everything's nice and tight. Beautiful. Let's go take a look at that old filter and see how disgusting that thing was. I'm a little embarrassed to show you this, but this is what I got out of this filter. Disgusting. So, if you've never changed your air filter, your cabin filter, you might consider doing it. It's pretty quick, it's pretty easy, and you get less pollen and more air in your car. Alright, and there you have it. Pretty quick and easy. You don't even need to get work clothes on to do it. Mine was just one 7mm fastener and then a couple of clips, and that cover comes right off, and there's the filter. Swap that out every year or two. Certainly shouldn't wait like I did 25 years. You saw what came out of it. But now I feel a little better now. I got a nice clean filter in there. So there you have it. Until next time, thanks for watching.